Classical Physics 1.1 Mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the motion of objects and the forces acting on them. Types of mechanics. Kinematics describes motion without considering forces. Dynamics studies the forces that cause motion. Statics examines objects at rest or in equilibrium. Examples: a ball rolling down a hill follows the equations of motion. A car accelerating on a road follows Newton's laws. Newton's laws of motion. 1. First law, law of inertia. An object in motion stays in motion, and an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by an external force. Example: a book remains on a table unless pushed. 2. Second law, F equals ma. The force on an object is equal to its mass times acceleration. Example: a heavier object requires more force to move than a lighter one. 3. Third law, action-reaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Example: a rocket propels forward by expelling gas backward. 1.2 Thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is the study of heat, energy, and work. Laws of thermodynamics. 1. Zeroth law: if two systems are in thermal equilibrium with a third system, they are in equilibrium with each other. Example: a thermometer in a cup of hot water reaches thermal equilibrium with the water. 2. First law, law of energy conservation. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only converted. Example: a steam engine converts heat into mechanical energy. 3. Second law, heat flows from hot objects to cold ones naturally, increasing entropy, disorder. Example: ice melts in a warm room. 4. Third law, as temperature approaches absolute zero, entropy approaches a minimum value. 1.3 Electromagnetism. Electromagnetism studies electric and magnetic fields and their interactions. Key concepts: electric charge. Objects can be positively or negatively charged. Coulomb's law. The force between two charges depends on their magnitude and distance. Magnetism. Moving charges create magnetic fields. Faraday's law. A changing magnetic field induces an electric current. Examples: a magnet attracts iron due to magnetic forces. Electric motors work by converting electrical energy into motion. 1.4 Optics. Optics is the study of light and its properties. Types of optics. Geometric optics deals with light as rays, reflection, refraction, mirrors, lenses. Wave optics treats light as a wave, interference, diffraction, polarization. Examples: a magnifying glass focuses light to create a larger image. Rainbows form due to the refraction and dispersion of light in raindrops. 1.5 Acoustics. Acoustics studies sound waves and vibrations. Key concepts: frequency determines pitch, measured in hertz. Amplitude determines loudness. Doppler effect, the change in frequency of sound due to motion. Examples: ambulance sirens sound different when approaching and moving away. A guitar string vibrates to produce sound.